Gadget Junkie here, bringing you guys a drone gadget today. In this video, I'm featuring these replacement props for the Air 2, Air 2S. For transparency, I bought everything you see in this video with my own money. This is not sponsored. So I have an Air 2S here. Still got some good OEM props on there, but I wanted to get some spares. So I picked up this kit. These guys come in a 12-pack, which gives you 3 full replacement sets. They come in this white box. They're individually wrapped up in these here plastic sacks here. You basically have one of each side in each one of the plastic bags. You get 6 bags in the box. So they're properly marked. As you know, one side is all black. That's the all black side there. And one side has the orange on there. That's the orange side there. Pretty straightforward. So, you know, these here are twist on, twist off. They go on as they're supposed to. Now, I haven't had a chance to fly these yet, so I can't give you any flight experience, but I can say that they fit like they're supposed to. They go onto the drone as designed. The one thing I do notice is that the replacements are just a hair less stiff than the OEM. So I'm not sure if that creates the wind noise that I see other people are talking about. It's a very high possibility that that's where it's coming from, but they do just feel just a hair thinner than the OEMs. But aside from that, they fit well. They are properly marked, and should make some good backup. So hope this helps you guys.